Now suppose you have created some block and you have saved it on your device or that AutoCAD. Now you need that block to place somewhere else. So how will do that? So to suppose I will place that block here. Suppose here I will change its color. Suppose here a door dimension and I need to place a door here. Okay, so how will do that? To do that, click I and you will see that insert option available. That means insert block. Otherwise you can click here insert block by clicking that arrow. Also you will see your previous saved, all types of your previous saved block. Otherwise click I insert or click here insert, both are same. So I'll click I, then enter, and you'll see all of your block is here, and click here, and when everything is okay, double click and place it where you want to place. Just simply here and to place. Just see our block have been inserted perfectly. So this is the way to place our block without any problem. Now again, if you want to edit it, simply click here and click here edit, and you can change its name as per your requirement. So this is the way to create and insert and edit your block. And also if you select it, and also if you want to edit its attribution, you can do it. So simply select the block, or you can attribute from here single and multiple. So no need to do that. So this is the way to create and to insert our block. So thank you very much.